Health advocates say that when it comes to taxing health hazards, re-electionist Senators Amy Marcos and Bong Revilla have prioritized the tobacco industry's interests over public health. Action for Economic Reform's Syntax Coalition Fiscal Policy Team lead AJ Montesa says in a press conference that Senator Amy Marcos is known for her connections to the tobacco industry.
Madalas po siyang umaayon sa mga posisyon ng tobacco industry at ginagamit pa ang tobacco farmers para isulong ang interes ng industriya. Kahit pa ito ay may masamang epekto sa kalusugan ng mamamayan, lalo na sa mga kabataan.
The Marcoses have opposed tobacco taxes, believing that the extra taxes would not help the tobacco farmers and the industry. However, excise taxes support farmers, as Republic Act 7171 mandates that 15% of tobacco excise taxes be used for a special support fund for tobacco farmers. Amy Marcos also criticizes the, quote, not equal treatment of alcoholic beverages and tobacco products.
Si Senator Bong Revilla naman po ay bumoto at tumutol laban sa RA 10351 o yung Syntax Law noong 2012. Sa kanyang boto, naantala pa ang reforma na sana'y nagligtas ng maraming buhay mula sa sakit dulot ng paninigarilyo at pag-iinom ng alak.
Health advocates also warn that the Philippines is facing a smoking and drinking crisis.